Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to use the Moodle in mobile. First of all, we have to download Moodle app. Go to the Play Store, iOS Store. Type Moodle, download the app, then open it. Here's the two option. I am learner, I am an educator. You can skip it. Your site. Now you have to enter the address here. For the SD College Ambala Kent, it's a https://moodles.sdcollegeambala.org. Connect to Moodle. Now there's a two requirement. One is username and second is password. Username is generally it's your email ID. For example, my email ID is deepak@gmail.com, and then you have to enter the password here. After entering this password, I will change this password. Login. You can enter in the Snatam Dharam College Moodle account. Here you will see your courses which can you access. Here I am taken admission in the two courses as a student in the certificate course in soft skill and aspect of the insurance. I click on the aspect of insurance. As it will be start from the 5th of the July, so different topics will be covered here. One is various useful ICT tools which will be open on the particular date, introduction to insurance, contract of life insurance, claim settlement procedure which will be open on 8 and 9 July, concept is on 10th July, 11 and continue. All are open according to day wise. So whenever you complete your particular task, you have to click like this and it will be show your percentage you have covered your aspect. After the completing the aspect, I'm showing you another course in which I have taken the admission certificate course in soft skill. Up day by day, day one, introduction about the course which I have completed, introduction, invitation. Day 2 I have also completed quiz. Day 3 attendance link, Google Classroom. Day 4, day 5, day 7, day 8, day 9 and day 10. Day 10 will be on the tomorrow. Animated video recording on mobiles, it will be open on tomorrow, that is 4th of the July. And last day I have a final exam, so I have to attempt this to get the certificate. So it's a very simple. You can message to click it. You can message, simply message like a WhatsApp. You can add the all other things. You can download in the offline manner also. You can messages only with the contact, my contact with anyone in the course. You can mail also. You can enter the messages also. You can check your grades, files. You can check and all other aspect. You can change your site. For example, in future you are taking admission in another college, so you have to use their Moodle account to enter their Moodle information. Thank you very much. And this about the Moodle, and the entire course of the insurance will be on the Moodle. Day by day you will get the information and all the other information along with this video on your email. Kindly check it.